What is going, guys? Good morning. It's me again, Sant, your boy Hugo. Checking in a very stormy morning of a Tuesday, November 25th. Checking all the surroundings for me to make sure that I am safe going home. It's a very stormy morning. Whoa! Tintay na rin tumataas ang ilog, oh. Parang ilog na rin. Oh, tumataas ng baha from the highway. Yan naman ang storm. Lakas. Kilid ang kusog, no? Kilid lang. Tatlo pa ni ka oras, antes madula? 3 hours pa rin, malas 9, may naman eh. It's 8:14 in the morning already. I still haven't go home. Did not have enough sleep yet. It's really flood outside the office. There's no way that I can go home. I'm still hungry, and no worries, I'll just wait for the mall to open as well. It's just near here. I'll just grab something to eat after 2 hours. I'm really hungry and tired already. Pray for us here in Negros.